Here's the Hunter original. I keep getting interrupted by mommy, and I don't know why, but here it is. I don't like getting interrupted. It's just getting interrupted is the worst. Is my least favorite thing. So here's the Hunter original. This is where the bearings are. Well, it's the tag. Well, the R&M one from '84 has the longer the R&M tag. But does the 3-speed one have reversible motor and C brackets? Or when they switched to reversible, they started using these brackets? I don't know. I think maybe the 3-speed non-reversible shade Pullmans use C brackets, just so I know that. But I like it with the C brackets. Let's see. So yeah. So this built. So this fan was made in 1992. So here it is. So here's piece de Casablanca Pulcine on it. So anyways, here's low. I did a last 1080p with that with the like it, but like it didn't fit. So just pieced on this switch housing cap. So this fan's made in the USA. Well, Hunter Originals. This is 1992, so the last one, 4-blade only and 5-blade only ones, were made in 1993 before they switched to 4 or 5-blade. Because the 1992 one, there's option to be a 4-blade only one or a 5-blade only original. But they later switched it to 4 or 5-blade with the hub in 1994. So my all-time favorite Hunter fan is the Southern Classic. I haven't seen too many on YouTube yet. I wonder why. I like those fans. I've seen them on Hunter commercials, and they use shell brackets. Anyways, let's put it to medium. I've seen a lot in Hunter commercials and those Southern Classics, and I like it because it has shell brackets and a cool look to it. But I know J.J. Atchison's house, Little Mom, Little Papa's house is a Southern Classic. Has 2 Southern Classics. One, I think Verde, I believe, and one polished brass, and one of these Great Room originals, except it's 5-blade, not 4-blade. And ceiling fan. What other person has one? I think Fanny and Vacuums 2 had one. I don't know if he still has it. Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 has a Southern Classic. That's one of my all-time favorite fans. So I wonder why the Southern Classic is it's not too common. Little blades are loose. That's why it's making clicking noises. Well, one time, let's go to high speed. These were found in the Hunter fan commercial. Official summer forecast in 1993 showed a 5-blade original in white in the first fan. But the only sound you'll hear shows a 4-blade original, polished brass. But, for so here is off. Let's reverse it. 4-blade original. versus 4-5. 1999, they went to. But in 2002, the original production started to be made in China. That's when original production. The last USA made. When was the last USA made original? Was it 2001 or 2002? I can't remember. But I know 2002 originals were started to become made in China. So I think they might have used the oil hole right on the switch housing. Or it might have gone to that in the switch housing 2003. But this one, the oil hole's on the top. When they switch back to using the oil hole on the top instead of right here. I know Mr. Horsepower 7's original has a oil hole right here. Where it has an oil hole. But has an oil hole up there. This fan needed oil when I got it, so Casablanca fan company. So it makes it Hunter Blanca if it's on there, so let's go to Love. What Hunter fans do I like? I know I like the 1930s original. I might want one, but it's too expensive. Hunter. But I might want one. Versus I like the 2nd century original. Mr. Horsepower 7 his grandma has one, but it's been taken down for some reason. I think because of a winding issue. Well, Mr. Horsepower 7 actually found a original from 96, a chestnut brown one, 1996 original with chestnut brown with a bad capacitor. But then the winding started to go on it, so how about the versus the one? He found 298 ones that had problems. One black, like this one, but except 5 blades. 4 or 5 blade, but and one in chestnut brown too, just like the 1996 one, but I think he could have fixed it, but I don't know. But he found a 2003 one that's black. That's made in China. Oh, I don't like the China-made originals. Just let's stick like the US made one better. Here's medium. This thing kind of twists a bit. What other Hunter fans do I like? Oh, I like the early Stratford too. Not the Stratford 2. The early Stratford. With the 4 lights and shell brackets. What other Hunter fans do I like? The Discovery. I like the 2 kids ones. The Discovery and Dreamland. One time I managed a house with Discovery and a Dreamland one time. Anyways, let's go to high. Well, I don't want to rip the chain out, so I pull it pretty fast. So, earlier Hunter fans, what other Hunter fans do I like? I know I like the Passport 2. I also like the, what other early Hunter fans? Whisper Wind 2000. There's a name like that before the Whisper Wind 2000. I can't remember what it's called, though. That's before they named it the Whisper Wind 2000. It's on the Hunter 1999 catalog. And I looked at it, I can't remember what it is. Other Hunter fans are like, I like the baseball fan. I've always wanted a baseball fan when I was a kid. Baseball. I've always wanted an original as a kid, too. I actually found one at the dump, but my dad wouldn't let me get one. So I finally have one. You can also see the wiring at top, too. Wonder why. Oh, there's an Italian restaurant that has loads of these in Hingham. We're right where in the square. In Hingham Square actually has loads of these. Man, it's an Italian restaurant. It's not called Tosca. It's not Cafe Tosca. It's called Tosca. And it has a lot of these. It's cool. Hunt. Anyway, so let's turn it off. I showed the speeds longer on it, though. I always wanted to do it with the Discovery because I like it on low. What other Hunter fans do I like? I like the, I think the, Summer Breeze Plus. 1936 Art Deco. This is like an original. My next door neighbor, one of the next door neighbors actually has a low profile plus, but the other one has a gazebo. The other house is a low profile and a builder's best. It's actually not a low profile 3. I almost call it a low profile 3 for some reason, but it's a low profile plus. It has no light kit on it though. So, yeah, that's the Hunter original ceiling fan. Thanks for watching.